the prayers other than the obligatory prayers. There are three kinds of other prayers: the Sunnat, the Mustahab, that is the commendable, and the Nafil, that is optional. The Sunnah prayers is such a prayer which the Prophet observed for all the time. Such are the prayers after the obligatory prayers. The Mustahab prayer is such a prayer of which the excellence has been described by the Hadis and which the Prophet did not observe always. The Nafil prayer is such a prayer which does not fall within the first two categories. When a man prays willingly for the pleasure of God other than the above two prayers, this is the Nafil prayer. The Sunnah prayer. There are 8 Sunnah prayers, among which 5 are said along with the 5 times of prayers and 3 in addition. The afternoon prayer, the Tahajjud prayer, and the prayer between Maghrib and Isha. Number 1, 2 rakat of Sunnah before Fajr prayer. The Prophet said the 2 rakat of Sunnah before Fajr is better than the world and everything in it. Number 2, 6 rakat of Sunnah prayer for Zohar, 4 rakat before and 2 after. The Prophet said, he who prays 4 rakats after declining of the sun and makes ruku and prostration well and recites the Quran well, 70,000 angels pray for him and seek forgiveness for him up to the night. The Prophet said, if a man prays 12 rakat daily besides the obligatory prayers, a building will be built for him in paradise, 2 rakat before Fajr, 4 rakat before Zohar, 2 rakat before Asr, and 2 rakat after Maghrib. Number 3, 4 rakat before Asr. The Prophet said, O God, have mercy on the man who prays 4 rakat before Asr. Number 4, 2 rakat after Maghrib. Number 5, 4 rakat after Isha. Hazrat Aisha reported that the Prophet used to go to bed after praying 4 rakat after Isha. Many learned men said that after collecting all traditions, that there are 17 rakats of Sunnah prayers, 2 rakat before Fajr, 4 before Zohar, 2 after Zohar, 4 before Asr, 2 after Maghrib, and 3 rakat after Isha. Witr prayers, the Hazrat Anas said the Prophet used to pray 3 rakats of Witr after Isha, reciting therein Sabbih Ismi Rabbil A'la in the first rakat, Kafirun in the second rakat, and Ikhlas in the third rakat. Afternoon prayers, forenoon prayers, it is up to 8 rakats. Aisha said that the Prophet used to pray 4 rakats in the forenoon and sometimes increased it. This is the Ishraq prayers. Number 8, the prayers between Maghrib and Isha. The Prophet said there are 6 rakat prayers between Maghrib and Isha, and of which the merits are great. The Prophet said that this prayer is included with the prayer of the Awabin. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.